Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Verlinda from Make Money Online. Before that, we are going to my video. Kindly click subscribe and hit the bell icon for the video updates. And now guys, kindly watch my video until the end. Thank you. Okay guys, we are here now for talking about the new way to become a super affiliate by Crestani. The super affiliate system is the fastest growing high ticket base of product. Over 60 affiliates are generating sales from email list, GV promos, Facebook ads traffic, YouTube ads traffic, SEO review blogs, and Google PPC. All stats and promotional methods are below. Here are some of out stats. GB commissions, $460 per sale average webinar conversion rate, 16.5% average attendee value, $190 automated payouts by ClickBank payouts. Weekly net reworks for practically any list type. We've been running this webinar on very broadly targeted base of traffic, from candle list to general IM. Highest converting webinar in recent history. There have been a glut in new, high-converting webinars. This changes that 60-plus video testimonial from happy customer, hundreds of written. Testimonials from happy customer easy enough for a 13-year to do. Some students making millions per year. Why you need to run this? Brand new webinar. Your list hasn't seen this before. We have taken some cues from the best in the industry and created a very original webinar that your list will love. Easy methods to use to get started. Students are introduced to making money online through the book, review, plus Amazon method to earn their first affiliate commissions in as little as 2 hours of signing up. New big opportunity. We have students who have gone on to make millions, even $1 million plus per month, applying the more advanced media buying training in the course, zero hassle payouts. If you hate dealing with paperwork and accounting and slow pace, I don't blame you. ClickBank makes the whole payout process A to Z frictionless and painless. Works on cold traffic. We have been media buying cold traffic on YouTube and Facebook and running it for the past year. Trustworthiness. Crestani maintains a weak blog, so customers always know they have a face to put the program to, and a teacher that is dedicated to their success. 100% transparency. ClickBank makes the refund policy for customers very easy, so any problem customers that may be on your list won't cost you any strife or lost sleep. Instant recognition. Crestani has shown video ads to literally tens of millions of people. 47,277,839 impressions be exact. Over the past year, so many people will already recognize the presenter. Top marketers promote us. Anthony Morrison, Igor Kifetz, John Sugar, Ewen Chiwa, Mike Balmaceda, Krish Monge, Jean Dunou, Daven Michaels, Justin Sardi, Alfredo Delgado, Greg Davis, Bob Patrick, John Tarr, Bell McIncush, T. Cohen, Rob Jones, William Sousa, Ron Douglas, Sam England, Winter Valco, Affiliate and GV results. Hear what a successful promo looks like in the ClickBank notice, the sales velocity. Our follow-up email sequences usually double the number of sales we get from the live show. So we highly encourage you to send the follow-up mailings obviously. This webinar was done with a GV partner that had roughly 121 people live at the close. Roughly 180 people was the peak attendance. 23 sales, 19% on the live webinar, and 37 sales happened during the email follow-up sequence 1.5x using the swipes provided. Even brand new affiliates are having massive results with Facebook advertising. This offer is 100% Facebook compliant, and even first-time affiliates are having crazy results promoting SAS to cold traffic. Affiliates are seeing anywhere from 100 to 600% ROIs and absolutely crushing this offer using our highly produced videos and their ads. Software Affiliate System training course has created 5 7-figure marketers. The combination of paid advertising, the affiliate marketing just plain works, and resell offer. It's not a complicated formula, and the way we teach it has helped thousands of people do everything from create respectable side income all the way to making 7-figure per year online and live their dream lives. The product, the Software Affiliate System, is a complete affiliate marketing training system that shows people how to create massively profitable affiliate campaigns. And we show people how to not only create engaging ads that work and give them working ads they can copy paste, but we gave away over $895 of free ad credits to those who sign up, but they can get started with zero risk. Pre-sale, we gave away working both downloadable pre-sale page templates, but we also have click and clone ClickFunnels templates that make it easy for first-time affiliates to get started with no programming knowledge necessary. Offers, we guide students to the highest converting offers, the best affiliate networks, and give students access to high affiliate offers that produce recurring revenues. The core skills we focus on are the following: copywriting, data analysis, research. These skills form the backbone of all our teachings on how to effectively market products online. Students not only come out of our training with proven tactics and methods to make money online, but also will have developed core skills that will help to them no matter where they ultimately end up in life. That's all, guys. This video. That's all, guys, for my video. Kindly click the description below for become to Super Affiliate by John Crestani. And press the subscribe button for updates about all the latest video for our channel. Press the bell icon and never miss a single notification from us. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Take care.